My people, good morning and good afternoon and good evening. Today na 7th of March 2023. So my people, at the one location, I come monitor borehole. Speaking of borehole, now I come monitor. We one of our viewers from Education show big borehole man. That come monitor for today. In front of me now the Oga Bigis. Oga, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all the viewers. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma. I greet everybody.
Let me want to talk to you. So my name now is Saboyen. What about your name?
My name is Alex.
Alex, the borehole driller.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes, sir.
So now because of the borehole, that's why I did here. We one of our viewers
Yes.
give you. Now I come monitor for today. So you go to explain to our viewers concerning this borehole, the stage, the first stage where they reach before they get to the clean water.
The ball get formation. Now different formation for the ball before they get to the final stage. So the formation, it gets step by stage. So that they indicate the formation. So the formation they work ground there.
Okay, I know say they work ground there and you will show us.
Yes.
But you see they explain things like any rock. You jam any rock here?
No, we no jam rock here. We don't have any issue of rock here. We no jam rock here at all. No, we no jam rock.
Okay, you know jam rock. Like
at all.
how many stage you will get for it before you reach the clean water for this the one
stage
we
where it is now, it remain 1.5 pipe. That is the draining pipe. It remain 1.5 now to reach the final stage.
So like how many don't they inside now?
The one where they inside now, like 25 now they inside soon.
Okay, 25.
Yes.
I say remain 1.5. Making 26 and a half.
Yes.
Okay, before you reach the main clean water.
Yes.
Okay, my people now the ball man they talk to and you got to explain say 1.5 now remain to get to the clean water. And they go see the show us the stage by stage. He say he did there, I will show now. So my people have been show now that the roller, not that the bend with the roller. So there they show now that one. So you go to show our viewers concerning the stage by stage you talk just now. I mean, not the stage you talk just now. Yes. So maybe they show us. You will explain to our viewers where you for start.
The first stage.
Okay, this one will be like
yes,
normal,
yes.
Okay, yeah, sure.
This one is the second stage. Second stage, this one. This one is the third stage, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So it still remain like four stage now where before you go complete.
Okay, you say remain like how many?
Four stage. Okay, four stage.
Where
you go see break come outside.
I know, what you talk just now, you say it remain 1.5 pipe.
Yes.
How many come before stage? I mean you explain me there. May they know.
As this one now, this one where they go down, so that pipe where they go down, so e go still bring the whole formation come outside.
Okay.
Plus that other full one wey still dey grass, so e go still bring the whole formation come outside. The other half e go still bring, na that one go come bring the last formation come outside wey go come complete.
Okay, cannot fail. That is the formation wey dey try to talk. So you have like one pipe now, see formate like 4 information come out.
Like one pipe now, e go bring like 2 information come out.
Okay, go be like this, 1, 2.
Yeah, another one fit bring 2 come outside.
Okay, now so
the formation
okay,
for the follow
the information to the come out.
Yes.
Okay, so my people now the oga now dey talk to, he don tell us the information wey the one pipe dey bring concerning the stage wey he talk. Na dey tell us so like una wey be our viewers wey no dey understand. So he dey tell us say one pipe dey bring 2 information, and so he take describe am more for understanding stage wey he use that one mean. So okay, like how much you take the cut for this very location?
600.
This very house,
600.
location of this house. How much you take cut
this one? 600.
You talk louder when I was here for here.
600.
Okay, 600.
Yes.
So 600 when I take cut for this very one.
Yes.
Maybe in case of all of our viewers call you for another location. I think
that one
right?
No, sir. That one are different formation entirely.
How you tell you know say that different information? Maybe let us know.
They get deep meter.
Eh?
Deep meter dey. So they will be say the information wey here give now. Here fit be 80 kc.
Because I want me our viewers dey see am. May I still see our workers stay here.
Okay. Here now, if here now fit be 80 kc. That one now it go be 600. If you come go where there be 20, 21, 22 kc, that one they go like 800, 700. Okay. Or 900.
Okay. So Oga,
depends on the formation.
Okay, depends on the formation. So I will still ask you few questions concerning the see this drilling of borehole. So how na they know so that they hit rock when I say na don jam rock?
If you jam rock, the drilling pipe no go anywhere again. Like
how you go dey do
as you raise the draining pipe, leave am for ground, you go hear the sound of noise, as in you go hear noise like the hit hammer for rock. Okay. You go hear the sound like e go make sound. So the process when you call breaker, you will say the thing go come free. The pipe will just call the enter ground freely. But without that, you know breaker, you just dey on top that rock. You just dey turn am, you go dey on top rock.
Na see this very one, I see the breaker, be another machine they want to take the breaker.
Now this hard turning, now we they see they use, but you can go raw bit. That you can bring all the whole pipe come out. They will come fix that raw bit for the mouth of the pipe where you go call enter ground where you go take breaker. No be this one where they take the drain and now. The one where they other inside grass, so no be that one go breaker. You can go red with you take breaker.
So you say here now 600. Like some place like Oluku. How you see that side?
Oluku 1 million dey Oluku.
Are you sure?
1.2 dey Oluku, 800 dey Oluku, 600 dey Oluku, 700 dey Oluku.
Okay, what of bypass? Sapele Road bypass.
Sapele Road bypass, you see the one 500, 400 for there.
Why is different from Oluku?
That place na shallow well, e no deep like that.
Okay,
for Sapele Road o, for Sapele Road.
Okay, shallow
well, that one no deep.
What of
Oluku na deep meter dey there. Oluku deep.
My people now the oga kpatakpata now they talk to me dey do borehole, so we don talk the amount wey take dey do borehole, different location wey you go carry am go. So for here particularly, say na 600 you take do this very one for here. So in case of oga, in case of other of our viewer come across this work through our channel, the same price wey you still dey do for here, you fit still do for there.
If you wan do am for which side?
Like if it be like this side or another side.
Yeah, if I wan do near this particular place, so the next crop I wan do now, I will still check out. If na dey say 19 pipe wey dey carry, na that one still carry, I will come know the say 600 go fit still carry that one.
You quick call your number when our viewer still reach.
Okay. 070 67 4111 82. 070 67 4111 82.
So my people, now the number wey fit reach this borehole driller, call. So my people, I think for time I take dey watch this video.